Hi there. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about body pain and its connection to your oral health. Did you know that your oral health is considered to be a window to your overall health? There's actually a chart that shows each tooth and its connection to different parts of the body. Very interesting. A couple of months ago, I wrote a blog post on this specific subject. And in there, I put a chart that shows those connections. On the description, I'll be putting the link to that blog post, and you are welcome to check out the chart and even download it if you're interested. There was a study done in the Case Western University in Cleveland. They took 36 subjects with knee osteoarthritis, and they actually found traces of bacteria that is usually found in the gums in this knee joint, the synovial fluid of this knee joint. Synovial fluid is a thick liquid that lubricates your joints. And it's not just in your knees, it's in all of your joints. So these test subjects, the researchers found bacteria that usually comes from your gums in these joints. Not only that, there are several other verified studies with similar outcomes. There was a study done, if I believe, 91% that stated that 91% of cardiovascular disease patients also had severe gum diseases. There are other possible body pains, conditions that connected to your oral health. And I state few of them in this article, so please check it out if you're interested. Not only I state some of these possible conditions, but I also give you some tips and helpful suggestions what you can do about it. And I want to talk to you a little bit about one of the tips that is one of my absolute favorites. So as I mentioned in this article, there are several tips that would help you to keep your body healthy and take simple measures that you can do either every day or a few times a week. You do in the privacy of your home. They're very inexpensive. So I want to talk to you about one of the tips, which is my absolute favorite, and I personally do it at least 3-4 times a week. I use Nason iodine, which I'll be putting the link to Nason iodine in a description. I'm hoping that you use Waterpik regularly. So in a Waterpik, once I put some warm water, I put 3 to 5 drops of Nason iodine in it. And I put the Waterpik speed at the lowest speed. And I make sure that I go around my mouth between the gums and all teeth at least a couple of times. What the Nason iodine does actually helps flush out that bacteria and kills it. Not only that, it also helps to close the deep pockets in your gums. So after flushing it with the Waterpik, you can actually also put a couple of drops of Nason iodine in the water and just swish it around your mouth and spit it out. So that's just one of the tips. I have about 5-6 other tips in the article. So please check it out. I would love to hear from you. If you have any questions or any comments, please put it underneath and I will see you soon. Thanks and stay pain-free.